Today is my first day at the clinic as a physiotherapist.
It just felt like coming back to routine after a long break.
Hi everybody, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So I've come on the terrace along with my old friend Timfu. If you all remember, I got this bamboo plant a few months ago as a gift, and since then I have not taken care of him, and I feel very guilty, and that's why I've got him along with me to get some sunlight, because plants need care. Plants also need to be taken out in open sun and get some fresh air, and just get like some sunlight so that they grow healthy. And I have been a very bad plant taker for him, so that's why me and Timfu have come on the terrace. Both of us are taking some sunlight, and then today I have a very interesting day planned. I have two important things to do today, which I'll tell you later. But first, let's just spend some quiet, calm time under the sunlight, and then I'll tell you where we are going today. There is absolutely nobody on terrace today. Otherwise, there are a few neighbors जो सुबह सुबह आते हैं. Most of them are aunties, but they come and they spend their me time on the terrace in the morning. And it's just so nice to see them take care of themselves and spending some time with your own in the morning. I simply love these mornings when you can do whatever you want to do, and you can do that at your own slow time and slow pace. There is no hurry. You don't have to go to college, you don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to report on any time to anybody. You're just there for yourself, and you can do whatever you want to do that makes you feel good. I really miss these mornings once college starts, but अभी जितना टाइम है उतना टाइम इंजॉय करते हैं, और फिर बाद का बाद में देखेंगे. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू लाइक मॉर्निंग्स? आई एम नॉट अ अर्ली राइजर नॉर एम आई अ लेट नाइट आउल. आई एम समवेयर इन बिटवीन. मैं बीच के टाइम में ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव होती हूँ और मैं बीच के टाइम में ज़्यादा काम कर पाती हूँ. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू ऑल एक्चुअली वेक अप अर्ली? आई रियली वॉन्ट टू नो. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू ऑल वेक अप अर्ली, study, or maybe go out for a run or walk or exercise in the mornings? Because I personally think I can't do anything in the morning. I can do a lot of exercise in the evening. In the morning, I feel more productive with my mind. Like my mind can work faster than in the evenings. But I think everybody has their own body clock. So let me know, please let me know in the comment section below, what kind of a person are you? Are you a morning person or you are a late night owl person? So the first plan of today is I have to go to the parlor. If you must have noticed, I actually got hair smoothing done because ये month में बहुत सारे weddings हैं, and I don't think I'll have time to like set my hair and just some hairstyle and all of that. So to make my hair manageable, I recently got hair smoothing done. और उसके बाद का जो first wash है वो parlor में होता है. So I'm going to the parlor for my first hair wash after the smoothing. Secondly, today is my first day at the clinic as a physiotherapist. It's a very special day, and I'm so happy to vlog it out and document this day. It's going to mark my first day as a professional physiotherapist. इतने साल की जो भी पढ़ाई है वो फाइनली अभी एक एंड पे आई है, एंड नाउ आई विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग. So it's a very special day, and I really wanted to document this day. So the clinic is in the late afternoon. For now, we're gonna go to the parlor, get my hair wash done, and then come back, have lunch, do some work, and then शाम को clinic जाना है. In the evening, I am planning to go for a walk after I'm done with the clinic, because it's been ages since I've gone for a walk. I think I have done enough of talking. Now let's just sleep and get our work done. So there's a slight change in the plan. I had to reschedule my wash to tomorrow because the hairstylist that I wanted and that had done my hair smoothing wasn't coming today. So it got rescheduled to tomorrow, which means now we're just gonna have some lunch and then see you at the clinic.
Okay, so it's now night and it's time to share with you all how my first day at work went. So it was actually very good. It wasn't at all hectic. I was very worried about going back to work after a break of 2 weeks, and I felt like I had forgotten everything and I thought I would be completely blank. But luckily, I wasn't. I wasn't completely blank. And a big reason behind why my day went smooth was because I got help from the assistant who already used to work there. So, a big thank you to Sanika for guiding me at every single step. I think it will take some time for me to get used to and completely get comfortable. And also the doctor for whom I work at the clinic, she's also very considerate and calm. So I think after working with people and colleagues for the past 3 years now, if there's one thing I've realized is that where you work with, who's your boss, how's your boss, and how's the environment and just how everything works at your work really affects you. I feel I'm so lucky to have a very healthy and a productive environment at work, whether it's at ballet or it's in the clinic. Yeah, your work environment really matters and is also really important to have a healthy environment at work. First day at work was super great, very chilled. Um, very smooth, actually, not chilled. We had a lot of patients today, but it just went very smoothly. I wasn't stressed at any point. In fact, a lot of work was taken care of by Sanika, but overall I would say I learned a lot. I'm slowly getting back on track, slowly getting things together, and yeah, I'll be back on track with all the roles that I have to play now after this break comes to an end. I also went for a walk after a long time. I had not gone for a walk for the past 10 days because of traveling and a few things. So it just felt like coming back to routine after a long break. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And also, I would like to mention that I read all the beautiful comments on my last vlog. Don't worry, I am gonna continue. I'm not going anywhere. I will continue making vlogs and putting it up on YouTube. But thank you so much for the love and the lovely comments that you sent on the last vlog. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel. Take care, and I will now see you in my next one. Bye. Good night.
But first, let's just.
Because ha, it's a little bit because
know that we'll be alright.